Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Black Ops 3 to begin your search. Once you find the Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the edition or bundle that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Finally, enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once the transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. You can then select your install location, and once the installation is complete, you can start enjoying the Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 3 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.